Shtakshi. I'm a student of class 6C of the Cambridge International School, and my teacher has given me a small activity. Okay, so let me first ask you that what is your name?
Dilip Tiwari. My name is Dilip Tiwari.
Okay, and your age?
I'm 60. I just completed 60 this 1st January 23.
Okay, you even look so young that I thought you were 50 or 45 around. So, can you tell me what is the secret behind you looking so young?
Well, I've never thought about this. There's nothing special, but my daily routine is that I get up early, 5:30 morning. Then I do my some domestic work. Like I'm staying in a four-story building. I get up early and go to the fourth story, and two, three times I go frequently. And then I go on the morning walk also. 3-4 kilometer I go every day. Then remains in physical activities, 3-4 hours at least in the morning.
What kind of physical activities?
Physical activities like going, walking, then doing some domestic work, and going to shop, market also. Like 3-4, at least I 3 to 4 hours. I engage in the physical activities. Then I get up. Then I read the newspaper also. Half an hour, 45 minutes, even 1 hour. Other physical activities also. Right, health, being healthy is very important. I think it's the most important for a person being, because we say that people say that health is wealth. If we are not healthy, if we are ill, then there's no use of wealth for us. So health is very important. In fact, health is wealth for a person. Health is the real wealth for a person. So being healthy is very important. We should live a simple life. We should not eat luxurious food, oily food. We should be we should eat.
Big thanks to you for giving me your special time.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Be healthy.
Thanks.
So now, to sum up things, I just wanted to tell you why being healthy is important. He may have to get dependent on other, but if you are healthy enough, you can be independent. And even being healthy is important because it saves you from many type of diseases, and that builds your immunity, that helps you fight the diseases and even the pandemic uh, that is ruining this year and the century.